So in case you did not hear, 876 Documents has hit 15,000 followers on Instagram. So I would like to use the opportunity to thank all the little people. I'm kidding. I would like to take the opportunity to thank all the people who have supported 876 Documents. First and foremost, the 15,000 followers. Without you, I would not be celebrating today. I thank the followers who are also clients. So I thank you for supporting 876 Documents in an even greater way, because without clients, we would not be a business. Thank you for trusting a lady on the internet who says she could help you with your Jamaican passport and your other documents. I appreciate you. 876 Documents appreciates you. I'd like to thank my family and my friends for supporting my 2,600 posts by liking, commenting, and sharing. I have to thank my younger brother CJ though. In 2022 or 23, he gave me a huge kick in the pants when he told me, "Gail, if you promote the business, you can't just wait for you grow. It now go just grow, so you have to promote the business." Thank you, CJ, for that awakening. Because of you, my page has grown. And speaking of boosting and growing, I have to shout out Island Thriller magazine. I thank you for supporting 876 Documents all this time. I don't know your name, I don't know what you look like, but you have selflessly supported 876 Documents by sharing our posts on your page, on your stories. Even yesterday you shared our story. So I thank you, Island Thriller. I appreciate you. I'd also like to thank Pure Jamaica magazine for also supporting 876 Documents. You were sharing my videos back in the day, and I thank you for that. I thank you for similar pages that say have maybe offer entertainment and information for Jamaicans in the diaspora. Because of you, small pages like 876 Documents can get seen because you share our posts and you give us shout outs. So we thank you, all the Jamaican pages like Jamaica Uncut, Jamaicans.com, Jamaica Incredible. And whether or not I have used your page, I still appreciate what you do to help smaller business grow. I would like to thank the 5 people who keep liking in the first 20 minutes I post a video. Within the first 20 minutes, there's always 5 likes. I don't know who you are because you have not left a comment. Please comment on this video, letting me know that you're seeing this. Drop a thank you, drop a it's me, drop anything in the comments right now so that I know that you're seeing this post, because I am thanking you and I want to know that you know I am grateful. To all the people who have seen 876 Documents, whether you followed, whether you have used the service, but you have shared it with family and friends, I thank you. For the persons who shared it in the taxi cab, for the persons who shared it on the construction site, for the person who shared it in Home Depot, I appreciate you. Do not underestimate how grateful I am to all of you. To the clients who send me videos so that other people can see that 876 Documents is legit and that you can trust this lady on the internet named Miss Gail. I thank you for these videos. If I did not thank you, drop a comment letting me know if I've left you out. I've thanked family and friends, thanked my brothers. I've thanked the bigger Jamaican pages who offer support to small pages like mine. I have thanked all of my clients, obviously, and I have thanked the followers, and I have thanked the well-wishers who have not followed but still share the information about 876 Documents. Please go over to 15,000 of you and subscribe. We're trying to grow over there. We make much longer videos there where we give a lot of information on the Jamaican documents and just other information. You know, I've moved to Connecticut since 2024 and I'm sharing my life in Connecticut. So go to that platform and please, all 15,000 of you, subscribe over there, please. In a recent video, I was talking about how liking, commenting, and sharing a post help the pages grow. The algorithm needs you to share stuff. They need you to comment so the algorithm know that you like it. And if you like it, they push it to other people. That's how it works. You see a post, you give it a like, and the algorithm is like, okay, somebody likes it. Then you give it a comment, and it's engagement. Once you pause long enough to engage with it, the algorithm thinks it's interesting information. Then you share it, and that's going to make this post sell off. So when you share it, the algorithm is like, yes, yes. The post here something for share. So they further push it out to more people, and this is pretty much on every platform. So drop a comment here, go over there, so, and go subscribe to 876 Documents. And if you ever see the video, you like the information, just drop a heart, because that would mean that they're going to push it to other people who need the information, because there are many Jamaicans in the US who have never heard of 876 Documents, who are having problems with their documents. The amount of people who call me say them wish I would hear about me before them actually make the mistake when they make with them documents. Send passport, go Jamaica, send it, got the contact and send all the information. Like, there are many things that people are doing that they need help with, and that is why 876 Documents is here. I am eternally grateful, and I ask that you continue to support 876 Documents. 50. I mean, I'm Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.